Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. Wanted to do a full update for those of you who are interested. I know some of you are interested in more updates on Jasmy, so just wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, so far, I think Jasmy has been moving exactly how we predicted. Because if you still remember the last video, what we said is that it's most likely that Jasmy will hold this main support level we have between, let's say around 3 cents, right? I mean, in the end, if you zoom out, it's a huge support level, and in my eyes, we can even drop down all the way to 2.6 cents, and we would still be holding that support level, right? So I think in general that support level will hold, but the main kind of upper bound of that support level is between 2.8 and 3.2 cents. So that's the main support level. That's where we drop down to with all that bearish pressure at the start. And last video, what we said is that, well, first of all, it's most likely that we will hold that, but it's unlikely that we will really get a rally from there unless we get some more bullish market circumstances, or if we get some very Jasmy specific bullish narrative, right? So something maybe Japan related. Which we have seen before. I mean, when I still believe sometime right here or something, there was some Japan specific news, and I know the market maker behind Jasmy, and they'll push up the price, right? So something like that. Even when Bitcoin is not the most bullish coin right now, something like that can still happen. However, at the moment, that's not the case. And if you look at well, I mean, let's stick with the market. I mean, if you look at the market in general, there's not a lot of strength. If you look at Jasmy specifically, you can see the momentum is laying low. We had some momentum kind of going into the 26th of December when we had that MyNode launch from Junction, which is obviously also a part of Jasmy. So then we had some bullish momentum, but you can see we got rejected very hard from 4 cents. So that was also to be expected, because I mean, if we were to break out above 4 cents, then all of a sudden we're bullish, and like I said, given the current circumstances, getting a bullish Jasmy was not in the line of expectations. So we drop back down to the bottom right here. The market is also, again, not very strong right now, altcoin market at least. So the big question is what's next? First of all, we'll delete this trend line here, because what I think is next is just consolidation. And in that sense, it hasn't changed with what I've said before, because what I said before, if you zoom all the way out, after we found this support around 3 cents, I think the only, given the fact that no real bullish momentum was to be expected, the bullish scenario was actually consolidating here, because you should not underestimate this support level we have between well, like I said, ultimately 2.6 cents up to 3.2 cents. And if structurally we're going to be able to hold that level, first of all, this is the 3-day time frame. We would still be in an actual uptrend if we actually are able to hold this. And then second of all, we've never been able to hold this level right here around 3 cents. So obviously we had that strong momentum, and I'm saying obviously very often, it's annoying, I'm sorry. But we had that massive momentum here at the start of December that now kind of functions as a blow off top. We were looking for some sort of a fair valuation, but in the end, in more bearish market circumstances, we were not able to find a fair value there. So we dropped down a bit lower, but I do think that if we're able to consolidate down here for a bit longer between 4 cents and 2.8 cents, it's a matter of time before we're going to be able to break above 4 cents again, and then we can actually aim for higher highs. So do I think that Jasmy is going to rally on the short term? No. But do I think we're bullish? If you zoom out, actually yes. So those are my thoughts. If anything happens, if we do get some sort of a Japan specific narrative, or if we do get some major news, I'll keep you updated, of course. But for now, I think this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.